Hello! Today we will be assembling a Yasinski table. Before we start, here is the content of your assembly kit. There is the table, a shelf that is the central part, 4 legs like this one, and an assembly device which includes a screw eye, a metal ring, and a cable with a wire rope clamp. You will need a mallet with a rubber head and a screwdriver. These tools are not included in your assembly kit. You start by assembling the first leg under the table. Making sure that the cable doesn't get stuck between 2 pieces of wood, that it can freely move. Then you install the shelf. As well as the leg opposite to the one already in place. Now you install the other 2 legs. Making sure that the cable can still freely move. You place the metal ring in the center and raise both cables, crossing them over the shelf, and insert the screw eye into the opening made by the crossing of the cables, and then into the hole of the cross pieces until you're able to screw a few turns. Then you return the wire rope clamp halfway between the metal ring and one of the legs. Then you screw the screw eye. That will result in applying tension to the cable. When it becomes difficult to tie the screw eye, make sure that all 4 legs are firmly pressed on the cross pieces of the shelf and of the table. Now you can apply tension to the cable again. When it becomes difficult to screw by hand, you can use a screwdriver to make a last half turn or two. And here we are.